Wing. The traditional method of delivering goods, however, is not the only one. Another solution, which will soon become very popular, is using delivery drones. The advantages in this case are pretty obvious. Drones move by air, don't get stuck in traffic jams, aren't limited by roads, and therefore are able to deliver any goods in the shortest possible time. The drone's speed is 100 km per hour. The device works autonomously, which means it allows companies to save more money. But that's not all. The drones developed by Wing can find the right customer via their smartphone. This means that you don't need to specify a delivery address. The parcel will simply come to you wherever you are. This technology is already in use. You can see it in Helsinki in Finland, Christiansburg in the USA, and Canberra and Logan City in Australia. ANYmal. This invention was first shown at CES in 2019. This four-legged robot, developed by specialists from Switzerland, is ready to overcome long distances just to deliver goods to people as soon as possible. ANYmal successfully moves on different types of surfaces and isn't afraid of rough terrain, water, snow, stairs, or curbs. To navigate in space and not to collide with any objects, the robot uses a built-in camera and laser sensors. On its back, it's able to carry loads weighing up to 10 kilograms. Interestingly, ANYmal's legs can do much more than just walk. They rise and have their own functionality that greatly expands the robot's capabilities. For example, the device is able to press an elevator button or ring the doorbell. The Renault EZ-PRO. Here's a whole autonomous vehicle designed to take deliveries to a whole new level. But for now, it's just a concept. The EZ-PRO is an electric truck. Several vehicles can work together, traveling as a convoy. The EZ-PRO vehicles leave the base together, then they part ways and deliver different goods to different addresses. It's noteworthy that one group of vehicles is controlled by one operator. This person is not a driver, but a logistics operator. It supervises the delivery process and makes sure that fragile products are handed to the customer. Starship. But delivery robots don't have to be huge or look like a robot from the Terminator. Specialists from the Californian company Starship created a tiny, cute delivery vehicle. It can deliver goods just as well as the rest of the robots that we've shown you today. The only difference is that Starship is designed to work on university or company campuses. The developer's idea is pretty simple. Modern students and workers don't have much time. You spend your precious free time walking to the cafeteria and waiting in line, and this can be a real burden. Starship is the solution to this problem. All the user has to do is order something through the app. The robot then waits for the meal to be ready and delivers it to you. Tests show that Starship brings food in 6 to 15 minutes. The user can use this time to rest or work without getting distracted. Uber Air Drones. Fortunately, you can also order food from outside the campus, this time thanks to Uber. Its experts have developed a whole project to deliver food fast and efficiently. The delivery process consists of 2 stages. First, the order is transported by a tiny drone that can reach a speed of 48 km per hour. The device is designed for short flights, not exceeding 20 km. Only 2 portions will fit on board. But instead of flying directly to the customer's house, the drone lands at a special station. Here begins the second stage. A delivery person takes the order and then carries it to the right place. It may seem that the system can be problematic, but it actually works pretty well. According to the plan, the project will significantly reduce traffic jams on the roads, especially in big cities. Cleveron Robot Courier. E-commerce is steadily growing, so the introduction of delivery robots is not a dream anymore, but a necessity. Several years ago, the Estonian company Cleveron showed its vision of a delivery robot from the future. The device performs the final stage of delivery from the nearest warehouse to the customer's home. The package is placed inside the robot, where it's protected from intruders. The robot moves along public roads, arrives at the specified address, and then places the cargo in a special box. Once the product's been delivered, the customer receives a notification. All they have to do is pick up the package outside the house. Gita. The last amazing robot that we'd like to show you today is capable of greatly simplifying the work of couriers all around the world. Gita is a tiny suitcase on wheels that can move behind its owner. The capacity of the luggage compartment is 32.5 liters, and it can carry up to 18 kilograms of weight. The device is maneuverable, it can avoid obstacles, and also moves with the same speed as the user. Thus, the courier doesn't need to carry a heavy suitcase with a load on their back, they can simply walk. But everyone can benefit from Gita. After all, you can take it with you to the grocery store and put all of your products inside.